Hello students, today my topic is preparation of methanol. The formula is CH3OH. It is prepared by boils by destructive distillation of wood, hence also known as wood spirit or wood naphtha. First preparation is by hydrolysis of methyl halide. This is the methyl halide. When it is treated with NaOH, it forms methyl alcohol and sodium halide. Now next is by reduction of formaldehyde. Reduction means addition of hydrogen. When formaldehyde react with two H atom, in the presence of these catalysts, they form methanol. Now by hydrolysis of methyl acetate. This is the methyl acetate, and when it treated with water, in presence of H ion and OH ion, that is water, it forms methyl alcohol and acetic acid. By hydrolysis of dimethyl ether, this is the dimethyl ether, when it treated with water in presence of H2SO4, it forms methyl alcohol. Now by Grignard reagent, this is the Grignard reagent. When Grignard reagent treated with oxygen and water, it forms methyl alcohol and magnesium hydroxide. By reducing formic acid, this is the formic acid, when it get treated with this catalyst lithium aluminum hydride, then it forms methanol. Now industrial preparation. Now see this figure. In this figure we take furnace, and this is the iron retort. Iron retort. In the iron retort it has a carriage. In the carriage we take the pieces of dry wood. When the furnace is heated up to 400 to 500 degrees centigrade, then the vapor which is formed here is passed through this pipe and go to condenser. Here in the condenser, the vapor condensed and thick dark red brown liquid is formed, and this liquid pass through by this tube and just go to this setting tank. In this setting tank, this dark brown liquid is known as pyroligneous acid. In below this, the wood tar, dark colored wood tar is formed, and the wood gas which is escaped from this pipe. Now the various products are formed through this all process. First is wood gas, which is escaped from this pipe. It contains mixture of methane, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, a small amount of ethane, ethene and ethylene. Now pyroligneous acid contain acetic acid, methanol, acetone, water. Wood tar consists of dark colored heavy layer. Now wood charcoal is the solid residue. It is the solid residue left behind in the retort only, and it is used as a domestic fuel. Now further purification, pyroligneous acid take from here, and the vapor form passed to the acetic acid. Now this acetic acid, when treated with lime, then it forms calcium acetate. When this calcium acetate treated with sulfuric acid and water, it forms acetic acid. Now fractional distillation. In fractional distillation, crude acetone treated with sodium bisulfate, and when it is filtered off, it forms ethyl alcohol. Remaining solution contain methanol. Now this methanol is treated with calcium chloride. Firstly it forms this solid complex, and after when it get heated, it forms methanol, pure methanol. Now from water gas. When water steam is passed over red hot coal, it forms water gas. Now water gas is what? CO plus H2. When this CO plus H2, which is in 1:1, pass through treated with H2 and this catalyst, this form methanol. When this methanol pass through the condenser, it forms liquid methanol, and the rest of the unused gas pass to the catalyst chamber again for the further use. Now ethyl alcohol. Next topic is ethyl alcohol. Its formula is C2OH, C2H5OH. It is also known as ethanol. Now first preparation is by hydrolysis. Now this is the ethyl halide. This ethyl halide, when treated with NaOH, it forms ethanol and sodium iodide. Now ethylene. Ethylene when treated with H2SO4, it forms ethyl hydrogen sulfate. When it again treated with ethylene, then it forms this complex. When this complex, sulfate complex, treated with water and heat, it forms ethyl alcohol and H2SO4. Now acetylene. This is the acetylene triple bond. Now this acetylene when treated with water in presence of H2SO4 and mercuric sulfate, then it forms acetic acid. When this acetic acid treated with 120 degree to 140 degree centigrade temperature,